For over 3 generations, Coja Leather has been producing furniture that has set the standard for beauty, quality, and durability. Using old-world craftsmanship and modern innovation, Coja brings contemporary design and elegance to leather furnishings that were once only available to the wealthy and elite, but now can grace any home and budget. This family-owned business began over 40 years ago in Holland. Elias Vlessing was a master craftsman and passed his knowledge on to Philip Vlessing, who in turn brought his family and business to North America to continue the Coja tradition of furniture excellence. Today, his sons Robert and Eric are celebrating their 20th year of furniture manufacturing in North America. They continue to dedicate themselves to producing the highest quality leather furniture in the industry. They do this by embracing the future while remembering their past. For example, everything at Coja Leather is still done by hand. From selecting top-grade leathers to customer service, every step receives that personal touch. There's no offshore outsourcing or piecework here. It's all done on the premises. And because Coja buys their materials in such large quantities, they are able to pass significant savings on to their customers. There's nothing like the human touch. Working with an award-winning team, Robert and Eric Vlessing create exquisite designs that are exclusive to Coja. Designs like their studio line, or urban collection, or their theater line featuring Leggett & Platt mechanisms for outstanding viewing comfort. But how does Coja achieve such a high standard? It all begins with a huge selection of the finest top-grade hides on the market. These hides are end-line dyed for full depth and consistency of color. Coja not only carries a wide selection of traditional earth tones, but all the latest colors to create pieces that are bold, contemporary, and fashionable. They are then hand-selected and checked for defects. Holes and open scars are marked for exclusion, while healed scars and minor imperfections are retained so as not to lose the leather's natural character. Experienced operators mark the tucks and folds for the precise fit needed to fit the 3-dimensional forms of the sofa, love seat, or chair. At every step of the production phase, important information about the product is tracked and entered into Coja's database. This ensures efficiency from product conception to completion. Sewing is the next stage of specialized workmanship. A key feature of Coja's technique is a spot stitch of Dacron padding. The additional security of stitching it to the leather prevents any danger of future slippage. Some designs call for the sewing to be done from the suede side. The single needle seam is hidden when the leather is reversed. Sometimes exposed seams are called for, as in this French stitch. Another example of specialized seams is the so-called baseball stitch. Beautiful, and yet strong. Welting and ruffling are also used in many of Coja's designs. The machines represent the latest in sewing technology, which allow for different grades of thread and computerized stitching designs. All of Coja's base frames are constructed from the highest quality materials available. The frame stress points are reinforced for maximum life. Instead of cardboard, the backs of our frames use webbing. Our E-Way program features bases which are supported by 8-way hand-tied coils. Other models feature Cineas spring systems. Screw nails hold the spring sections firmly to the frame and give a final tie-in to the webbing. Next, heavy felt decking is added to cover the base. All exposed wooden surfaces off the base are then given a layer of foam rubber to ensure a soft and solid touch all around before the leather upholstery is applied. Down to the smallest detail, the pieces are tied in for strength and durability. The final stage of upholstering the back moves to the next station. This is not really an assembly line. The craftspeople here move freely among stations, adding not only to the interest and pride they take in their work, but to the flexibility in keeping production stages in step with one another and efficiency in filling customer orders. Sofa and love seat arms are the next component requiring specialized skill, developed over time by our many experienced craftspeople. Seat cushions use high-resilient density foam. They're CFC-free and conform to the strictest fire codes in North America. The back-filling machine allows for the use of high-quality fiber, resulting in cushions that hold their shape and are made to last. All the pieces come together into the finished product. Time for a final inspection and cleaning. The addition of the label contains Coja's limited lifetime guarantee on every piece of furniture's frame. As in every stage of production, Coja pays special attention to packing. Each unit is specially shrink-wrapped to guard against dust and moisture. Double-wall cardboard protects the product against the hazards of travel. These measures ensure that our product arrives at its destination in perfect condition. Finally, the scanner picks up the last data on the shipment. The barcode ticket is then passed on to all computerized customers. At the same time, information goes to the database in our office, and the product is loaded on trucks. In as little as 4 weeks of having received the order, the product is off to market. You've seen how Coja creates and delivers outstanding products, combining beautiful design and fashion with uncompromising handmade workmanship. Furniture that is trend-setting, luxurious, and well-made. Leather has so many qualities: beauty, durability, comfort, and style. And Coja knows leather. Coja Leather Line. Quality never looked so beautiful.